Hello and welcome to Good Friday with James Goodfriday Kevan. I'm going to show you how to make cake, some vegetables, and what else are we going to make? Roast potatoes. Potato. It's been in for about 15 minutes. Toasting up nice and good, yeah. And now I'm just going to start putting in the cake from cake. Sensational cake. Cake from cake. Let's come back to me when I've just got myself out another pan to put the fucking fish in. I've been looking for some foil, but we've got no foil. So let's not cook them straight away like this. Actually, thinking about it, I don't think it's a very good idea. So I think I'll open it. Excuse me. I know what you're thinking. What kind of fish is this? Well, as you can see, it had genes very similar to the sausage roll. Actually, I think the people who caught it, Youngs, they caught it on the Sayers Sea, which leads onto the Greg's Ocean. Let me tell you something about vegetables, right? We've been growing these on the floor for about 37 years. The majestic pea, small but mighty. The baby carrot piece, ginger, but that's always good. The tiny tree from tiny Japanese islands. It's really the first one anyway. Pepper chunks, which is made if you just get pepper, the condiment pepper.
What was that?
I'm going to make the vegetables now. I collected them all in my vegetable pouch, and I've, just so I don't confuse, I've put special mixed vegetables. I'm just going to splatter them carelessly like that. Yeah, that'll do. Save the rest for the dog later. The dog's name is John. Let's put some water in there, because you've got to cook them in water. There's some water in there. A lot of people don't know, but water is actually a solid while it's in the tap, and as soon as it comes out, because of these, there's hotness inside there that makes it particles collide and expand and clean. I've just remembered, I've got to put some herbs in.
About using the bands and all that.
I've got some dried basil,
There's going to be carrot and
some dried oregano now. What else have herbs we've got? Dried rosemary. I like it. What's we got? Some more herbs may be found in special cupboard. Not that. Not that. Not that. Here we go. Smoked paprika. Dash of that. Dash of that. Ooh, fucking hell, bit too much there. Put a dash of this one. Rosemary. Looks a bit like shit, doesn't it? A bit of paprika. Oh, it's spicy. Put a bit in there, put a bit in my finger. Yeah. Oh. Spicy vegetables are good for you. Go right through you. Like thunder through cheese. The dog's name is John. Best not. No, dangerous. 3, safe. See you in 15 minutes. Did you see that, yeah? Oh, it stinks. I'm sure that's not right. I was right. He was wrong. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? In a way. Don't know what kind of way. Just going to leave it there a sec while I get a spoon. Got it now. I'll turn them over. Eee. Oh, look at that. That used to be a fish. Look, I made a little bum out of it. Little fish bum. Fish ass. Turn the other one over as well, so it's not jealous. Give it another ass there. We're going to ram it back in. Like so. Oh, actually, best check up on them fucking splits. Fucking hell. Best not burn myself. Because I'll fucking kill you. Look great, don't they? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Ouch. Stop it. Ow. Ow. Stop it. Ow. Fuck it. Ow. Stop it.
Penalty.
Someone's at the door. Have you got that, Joseph? Ow, ow, ow. Stop it. Stop it. Ow. Here we go. It's Lucifer. Hello, sweet prince.
Hi.
Good Friday, be good. It's hissing because it likes it. Making some gravy out of some stock. Well, you need really is stock. Water. Look at that. Looks like mild piss, doesn't it? Don't put too much water in there.
You would go for 9p.
It's really there.
Do you want to drink it?
Shit. It's not very gravy, like, is it? It really does look like piss. Rabbit's piss. I'd like to see you do any fucking better. Fucking hell. It takes a lifetime to stir in this. You want to put another one in there? Ow. This might make it a bit thicker.
Oh my god.
It's coming, isn't it? It's coming.
This is cheese. Cheese breast.
That's fucking amazing. There's good flour in here. It's making it a bit thicker. Ooh, oh, it feels amazing. It feels like powdered silk. Oh, it feels so good. I'd love to bite that all over my bum, you know? Slap it. Fart to make little flour clouds. Now it looks like tea. I'm not sure about this, you know. I'm not sure.
It's fucking Sam,
It's good though, isn't it? Good Friday. Good things on Good Fridays. There's my Good Friday tea. As you can see, the gravy looks like fucking water. I'm not happy about it, but I'm still going to have Good Friday. Amen. Hail Mary, full of mace. Let's start now. It's gotta be bread. It's a piece of bread, 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 it's a piece of bread. It's a piece of bread, 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 not a spoon. It's a piece of bread, 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 it's a piece of bread. It's a piece of bread, 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 not a spoon, not a spoon, not a spoon. It's a piece of bread.